Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about black tourmaline. This is an amazing stone to work with when you want to let go of anything with fear and anxiety and just pent up energy that you have to release, you need to let go of. This is a simple thing to do in less than a few minutes, but you're going to feel so much better afterwards. So you pick up 2 pieces of black tourmaline, or if you have black stones, whatever you want to use. You're going to put them in your hands, and you're just going to visualize from right around here a cord going into the center of the earth and anchoring your energy in. So you are connected to Mother Earth. Then you're going to see this beam of white light that's going to go up the center of your body, out the top of your head, and keep on going and connecting to the energy of the sun, this beam of light. And what you're going to do is you're going to connect to God, Spirit, the universe, all that is, 0 point, whatever you want to call it, and you are going to bring that energy down back into your body, into the center of your heart. So you're connected above and you're connected below. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold these black tourmaline in your hand and you're going to let it go. You're going to let go of any anxiety or uncertainty or anything going on in your life that is bringing you angst. And you are just going to verbalize it, and you're going to absorb this black tourmaline, sucking any darkness, any confusion, any sadness, any pain. You are seeing it come out of every energy field and being sucked into this earth, and get it out. If you have to cry, cry. If you want to yell, yell, and get it out and let it be absorbed into the energy of the earth. And once you have it all out, you're going to let the black tourmaline go. You're going to thank it for its energy. You're going to reconnect to something bigger than yourself. You're going to remember that energy that's here. You're going to put your hands over your heart. You're going to give yourself a blessing. You're going to fill yourself up with light on every cell and every atom of your being. And you are going to emit light in a higher frequency, and you're going to see it building out and out and out and out. And you are going to plug in to the light. This simple technique can be done in a couple minutes. And when you are finished, you feel like a weight has been lifted from your shoulders and you're reconnected and you are at peace for that moment right now. Try it and let me know what you think.